my roasted olives and popcorn midnight snack. I just have some melted butter here, a little bit of lemon zest right into that melted butter, and then I love Italian dried seasoning because everything's in there, like oregano and basil and a few other things that I just love. It makes the popcorn and the olives just come to life. I love spice, so I have here crushed red pepper, and I just add that into the butter too. And you just want to mix it up. You want to make sure that you're getting all the herbs coated in the butter because that's what makes it stick to the olives when we're going to roast it. So you just pour the butter herb mixture right over top of the olives. And then we're going to take our spoon and we're just going to lightly toss those olives in that butter mixture. And then that way when we put them in the oven to roast, then they'll all get like a little bit of crispy on the outside and all that buttery goodness and all those spices. Oh Lord, it makes me hungry just thinking about it, children, I'm telling you what. So all right, after I get my seasoning stuff on here, I'm gonna put this in the oven and I'm at 400 and let them roast for about 10 to 15, sometimes 20 minutes, depending on how crispy you want your olives. I have here my fluffy popcorn, and all this is a microwave popcorn, but you can use different types of popcorn. You can use popcorn that's already popped that you can buy in the bag. You can use a white cheddar popcorn if you want to. All right, so I think our olives are ready, and that's what they look like when they're roasted. You see all those little charred marks on there, and they're bubbled up, the skin on them, so that's really what you're looking for. And so what you're gonna do is you just wanna pour that right on top of the popcorn, and then make sure that you get all those spices and all that great butter, and don't leave any of that butter, honey, because that's what makes it taste good is the butter. Then you just wanna take and you wanna toss this lightly so that that popcorn will suck up that buttery goodness. So stir it up and get it all stirred around. So that is my roasted olives and popcorn. That looks beautiful. So let me show you how to make my buffalo tater chips. Let's get started here. I just have some deli sliced turkey that I had in the refrigerator, and I want to cube it up so that I can sprinkle it over the tater chips because you want to make sure that every bite you get has some turkey in it with the tater chips. And if you don't have turkey, guess what, guys? You can use deli sliced chicken here, or you could use ham if you wanted to. So what we're gonna do, I just have wavy chips. Look at them, they're just beautiful wavy chips. They're on a lined baking sheet. You just kind of feather that turkey up in there, and you just wanna push it apart. So it's almost like dealing cards. You're just pushing the little squares or cubes of turkey apart. All right, so now I have some blue cheese crumbles, and if you don't like blue cheese, you can also use feta, or you can use like crumbled goat cheese, works well here. If you want to, you can make your own buffalo sauce, but this is ready-made, just my favorite out of the jar. And I'm just going to drizzle right over the top so that all the chips and the turkey and the cheese gets a little bit of that buffalo sauce right on top. We want to place this in our oven that's preheated, honey, at 350 degrees. After the buffalo chicken chips have baked, you'll see that the cheese is starting to melt, and that's what we want. All that buffalo sauce has sunk down into those and penetrated that tater chips and all of that wonderful turkey that's on there. What is your favorite thing that goes with a good hot wing? Honey, that's right, it's celery. I love the crunch of celery with my hot wings or anything I'm eating buffalo sauce with. So I just want to dice these up real fine because I won't have enough to go all over them chips. So just sprinkle your celery right on over the top. Let's add us a little bit of ranch dressing. Now this is the easy way to do it. If you got one of those big jars of ranch dressing in your refrigerator like I got, honey, just get you a zip top bag and put what you want in there and then cut the corner off of it. And then you can drizzle the ranch dressing over. Oh my goodness, look at that, honey. That right there is enough to make the neighbors come a-calling, honey, because they can smell this and they want some too. Lord, honey, children, let me tell y'all, this will be your next go-to midnight snack. I hope you enjoy. I'm gone, y'all.